Welcome back again. Now we will discuss the mountain forest. What is the mountain forest? Mountain forests are the forests found in the mountains. Mountain forests are the forests found in the mountains. At the high altitude, like between 1000 to 2000 meter above the sea level, the temperature will be a moderate. Understand? At a height between 1000 and 2000 meter above the sea level, the temperature will be a moderate, and such type of forests are called temperate type of forests. But you know, if the height is more than 3600 or average 3600, there the vegetation is alpine. The temperature will be very low. Most of the areas will be covered with the ice. So the vegetation there is called alpine vegetation. If the presence of mosses and lichen is found, which is called tundra vegetation. Tundra vegetation found in the mountains, it is because of the presence of the mosses and lichen at the higher altitudes. Anyway, the common animals found in the mountain forests are the Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrel, bear, and rare red panda, sheep, and goats. These are the animals found in the mountain forest. Now we will discuss the mangrove forest. What is mangrove forest? Mangrove forest is ultimately different from other forests. These forests are seen in the coastline or the coastal areas, very close to the water bodies. The roots of the plants submerge under the water. The roots of these plants submerge under the water because these plants are found in the coastal areas. That's why what happens? The mud and silt get accumulated on the coast. This is growing close to the water. That is why the mud and silt get accumulated on the coasts. I told you the roots of these plants submerge under the water. There are different varieties of mangrove forests. One of such variety found in in the Sundarban Delta is called Sundari tree in Bengal. So I told you this is grown near the water bodies, and the roots of these plants submerge under the water. There are many varieties for these mangrove forests, such as the Sundari tree found in the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta, which can provide the timber. This hard wood can provide the good quality timber. Royal Bengal tiger is the famous animal found in these forests. Royal Bengal tiger is the famous animal found in these forests. Okay, this is all about today's note, and if you got any doubts you can ask, don't forget. Okay, thank you everyone.